just out on a small acreage property. It's about 90 acres, I think, and full of peacocks and guinea fowl. The lady here's been having some trouble with some foxes, actually. She thinks she's been having them climb the trees and take young peacocks. So I've come out to have a bit of a look around. I was here all of about 5 minutes tonight and gave a quick whistle and 2 foxes ran in. I managed to get one of them down. Bit of cornflakes going on here. But, this one truly rushed in on me. Came into about 20 metres. Good sized dog fox too. That's an excellent one to remove. He's a monster. So this is the tree in question, to whether the foxes have been climbing it, because the birds have been refusing to use this tree, and it's one of the better trees for them on the property. So got the trail camera just here, and you can see it almost looks like something's worn a path around the base of the tree, but would be quite easy for a fox to climb a tree like this. So let's see what's been going on. So this is the tree they've moved into. You can see some birds just up there. There's a couple of guinea fowl there. There's a heap of them out on this limb out here. A big white peacock up the top there as well. So this is just one of the trees they've moved into. We've got a camera on as well, so we'll have a look at that and see if anything's been cruising around the base of this one as well. So. Right, absolute textbook stand then. I've just moved about 100 metres from where I was before, and I've got a double, which is always good fun. Grabbed the Fox Pro X24 out of the car and just threw it out in the paddock. Played about 5 minutes of what's the sound? Baby cottontail. Not much coming in, so I changed to a chicken distress, being as the peacocks and malleefowl do make bird distress noises. And sure enough, had a fox coming flying down the fence line at me. Shortly after shooting him, I was just scanning around and noticed there was a second one, so back to the chicken distress and got him in nice and close as well. I just do want to point out right now, this is the moon. It is bloody bright as anything. It is as full. So I just want to walk through how I position myself for that. Now I'm working in these trees here. So what I've done is I've gone and put this tree right sort of there. So I'm positioned completely in the dark, in its shadow, and I've positioned my cooler to be. I don't know what to do with this light. I've positioned my cooler to be in the shadows as well. So yeah, that's worked out quite well. We'll keep cruising around the property and see if we can't pick up any more. So I had set the rifle up in position just to record the fox while I was scanning back through the thermal, and you actually see the second fox pop out here, and I didn't see it till after it runs off again. This is fox-proof fencing along this bit here, so they can't actually get into it. So. A few little squeaks to get him coming in a bit closer. Textbook. How bloody good. Oh, there's a second. Well, that's a first. I just got booted by the electric fence because somehow it's going into here. I saw a mighty old spark come off it as I got that that undone there. Obviously, some wires have started touching, but geez, I won't need me monster tonight. Far out. Well, that was a successful little trip out. Got the two dog foxes and a vixen. And, yeah, bit of a zap from the electric fence, but yeah, bloody trying to work out my light here. Yeah, bit of a jolt, but I'll survive. I think. Maybe I might not wake up tomorrow, but fucking Jesus, that thing kicked hard as. But yeah, the my shyness reflector, 17 HMR, and the ALPEX did the job. Still running the sniper hog light on here. And I'm just finding the ALPEX dulls it a bit more to what I'm used to, like a lot more light in the area where the foxes are. I'm finding sort of 150 meters. It just really dulls the IR out even when I turn it up more. So I'll play with some settings and see if I can't get that figured out. But so far so good. Thanks for watching to the end. A couple of bonus foxes here from a few weeks ago.